everyone, I hope you are having a great day. If you're here for the first time, my name is Nicole. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make my breakfast smoothie. This is my favorite recipe for a breakfast smoothie. I never use ice for my smoothies because I don't like how it waters down later on. So I use partially fresh fruit and partially frozen fruit. I also add some peanut butter today so it makes it filling. It lasts me until lunch. And I use some turmeric powder, which is very beneficial. The blender that I really like is the Ninja blender. I'm gonna link it down below also so you can check it out. And what I like about it is that you actually drink the smoothie from the cup that you're making the smoothie in. It's super easy to wash. You can put it in a dishwasher and you don't have any extra dishes, no further cups. It has a lid so you can actually drink it from here. It's really good. So if you want to try my favorite breakfast smoothie, this is the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. So for my breakfast smoothie, I add 1 banana, 5 fresh strawberries, approximately half a cup of frozen mango, half a cup of dark frozen cherries, 1 teaspoon of turmeric root powder, 2 teaspoons of black currant powder. I'm using almond milk and I fill it up to approximately 400 milliliters and 1 large tablespoon of peanut butter. And I'm using my Ninja blender and press the smoothie setting.